It's your girl Morgan Sinclaire, and I woke up this morning thinking that I was gonna do a makeup tutorial, but I was like, dang, I'm hungry. So we're going to do all things lifestyle. I told you guys this again. So without further ado, welcome to Sinclaire's Southern Kitchen. Let's get it poppin'. And I got some special guests. This is my girl Kai. We up in this thing, you know? And that's Jade.
How's it going? Welcome. This is the Romy. This is early morning shenanigans.
Early morning. Don't wait till this car come off. It's gonna be a blessing, but for now,
the yellow.
You gotta lay down.
Oh yes, the yellow. Yes, Tuskegee. So yes. So they don't know yet that we go to Tuskegee University, but we do. We go to the Tuskegee University.
Tuskegee edition. That's what you should put in the beginning.
So we're gonna make breakfast. For me, growing up Southern has been something that I always loved, and eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner is something my mom always taught me. It's how to cook. So we're gonna cook breakfast, and my girls are gonna help me this morning. So yeah, let's get it popping. Okay, so I learned how to cook from my mom. She actually taught me that you have to cook to feed the soul. I actually have this on my door. So here it is. Don't be eye candy, be soul food. And that's definitely true. Every Sunday we get together and eat breakfast, and that's how we wind down the week. And then we go from my grandma's house, and there's 50 people in this building, and we make dinner for each other, and we laugh and we smile, and that's how we have a good time. So food is actually one of the basis foundation in my life. So we're gonna get to cooking. So we didn't have some of the ingredients, so now we're going on a trip, and Kai is driving. So
Mama, she was on one.
And Jade's in the back. Ah! Here we go.
We're in this guy. The beauty. Rihanna said this to me personally.
She said, "What's this?"
And she sent this to me, to my house.
Right.
Yeah, because she knows me.
Right.
I know Rihanna.
Right.
Yep.
Jake, let this.
Okay. Oh my gosh, where are you going?
Where are you going, Jake? This girl said, "I'm hungry."
And then she walking. I can tell you something. I can't do this anymore. I'm hungry too.
Why are you just standing there? It depends on y'all. Can we get like the? Can we get the like the mixed kind?
A Colby Jack. That's
Marble Jack. In it?
Mexican cheese.
No, that's like Mexican cheese. This.
Secure the cheese.
Oh my goodness, did y'all want anything else?
Jesus.
Wow. Wow. That's so unsanitary.
Can somebody get her? Oh my gosh, we're trying to find a cheap chips. Bump Fritos.
What you need chocolate syrup for?
I can make chocolate milk because you gotta add back in your.
Speaking of milk, let me get milk. What time is it, Jake?
What time is it?
Half a freckle past 10.
Oh, wow.
According to my calculations.
So we're back, and I just want to tell y'all
Hold on.
how friends look like.
Oh, yes, sir. All right, let me take a lap. Okay.
What?
Y'all ready for it? I need glasses so I can be like this. And, okay.
I don't know what is going on. I don't.
Hold on, wait.
I don't.
Look at you, they be posing in a little crevice. It's fucking stupid. Okay, I'm done.
I don't know what's going on.
Bro, you two need to hide.
I'm very concerned.
All right, everybody will live.
But we gonna start cooking now because I'm not dealing with them. Kai's gonna cut the chicken.
Okay.
Yes.
That's what I'm here for, to chef it up.
Chef it.
So what we're doing here is we're gonna use some rotisserie chicken. This is how we, use our leftovers.
Right, because it's a college student type of thing.
So
Period.
We're a little hungry.
you can use any
creating
leftovers or
dishes at
food
that
that you want.
Y'all guys look so great. Like,
Thank you.
you guys look great.
Thank you also very much.
I try my hardest to make this good. It's not easy. Okay. What you have to do is start off with great parents. Second,
That.
Yes.
Training will get you where you need to be.
okay.
All right, at the church say amen.
Oh Lord!
Where your trash can?
Back there
And this
in that door. Kai knows.
Yeah.
No, wrong one. Wrong. Jade, your clothes is out of the kitchen.
Now behind the chalk door.
Okay. That would have been a good description.
Yeah.
I mean, I thought back there was good enough.
No, I mean, it's just almost close to this.
You know. But don't be eye candy, be soul food type of thing. Good job, guys.
Chef it. Somebody keeps texting me. I don't want to talk right now. Hallelujah.
Yeah, hallelujah.
Hallelujah. No.
Stop.
Alright, is this good enough?
That is perfect. You did good. Look at that. Yes. Good job, Kai.
Thank you. I tried so hard on that skill.
So I add a bit of salt. Like that much. And then onion powder. This is my secret recipe. What? Y'all don't know about this. It's gonna be good.
That was about 5 taps.
5 taps, 5 taps.
5 taps.
It's got a measuring type.
All right.
Sorry.
And just a pinch.
A little
Salt.
dash of black pepper.
Dab ranch.
Some cheese, Just a little bit. Just a little bit of cheese, Marble Jack. We got that in the store. And I'm just doing a pinch. Okay. Now you gonna whip it, Jade. You got your whipping skills down?
I forgot to ask y'all if y'all want like egg whites out.
Girl, I use it.
Oh.
No, you good. Like, I don't know why you good like that.
Maybe I'm left-handed.
Oh, you're left-handed. Jade, I didn't know you were
Let me
left-handed.
see how you.
You can do it with your left hand. No, lean the fork down. So, no, lean the fork down. Yeah. No, like this. You know how
okay,
we
so I get
really rock?
okay, yeah. I
Really
don't know why
rock?
I do.
Yeah.
I feel like I do it both. But.
I'm gonna turn the stove on to like, I forgot to do that.
Hey, y'all did you?
Got a light for a second.
Okay.
And then
gotta let it catch.
back. So we gonna make the ingredients first. I'll make it with butter. I always butter my fillet. And it's popping. So I need to cut it down because I forgot. These actually heat up. Next.
Because what that daddy.
What?
How's breakfast coming along?
There's one omelet right there.
Just one. We're moving fast.
Not really. I ain't even make the bacon yet. Which I should be making right now.
Hey guys, so we're making a fruit salad and Morgan is cooking bacon, so let's get it popping. Okay, alright. Why are you doing like that? We're washing the fruit because that's what you do. So we got some strawberries.
We got some raspberries.
And some raspberries and blueberries. So we're gonna wash it. Alright y'all, so let me make sure that the camera is. We're cutting up the strawberries. I love strawberries. They're my favorite fruits.
Why are you talking like that? Like,
I love strawberries. They're the best fruit in the nation.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, in the nation.
Okay.
I think it's my favorite fruit. I'm more of a grapes person.
I like grapes.
Got it. Some crack. Not crack, cocaine. Wait, we gotta
What's up with you? Do you secretly
Right.
like? Do you let us know? Do we need to get you help?
Not a little sniff.
Are we doing a
Yeah, this is so like, yes. That's that stuff you see on like, you know, TV. Or
Right.
Instagram.
Alright, so we're doing we would have had fresh, but we're lazy today, so
Yes, swirl. It's all in the circular motion as
Right.
well. And once you get to the top, you just, yep.
boom, baby.
And that, my friends, is how you make a little fruit salad, okay?
Now we gonna make the mimosas. Come on, Jade.
Special effects.
Jade special effects.
It's my favorite one.
Ooh, it's a screw top though. So it's number 4. Halfway.
Ooh.
Right there.
Ah.
Orange juice.
Gotta shake it up,
We
because
still
you
have
know.
strawberries. We still have some berries.
Yeah, we left you some.
Ooh, put some berries in y'all thing.
Have it.
And a blackberry.
That's cute. Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay.
sounds good. She said, you know I'm thick. What?
Somebody stop her. What are you doing?
Alright guys, we are done and we about to eat.
This is our food.
This is our food.
Don't it try luscious? Look like me?
Yes.
And me?
No. We'll see you next time. Tune in to my video.
Like and subscribe.
Yes.
Comment,
Now.
all of that. Do it. Video suggestions, all that.
Peace out.
Peace out. Oh.
And we're down to eat. Yes. Y'all go ahead. Tell me how it tastes. Like.
Get up in there. Ooh. I'm dead. No. Is it? Is it good? I'm a little hungry. Not a lot. That chicken. Smacking. Now this is what you call adulting. That chicken ain't rubbed. That was real.
So we're done. We're done cooking. I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm about to go eat. I'm hungry. Peace.